and ceiling function. In this video, we will be discussing about floor and ceiling function, which is very much important for getting the numbers nearer to the multiple of the integers. Whatever, like for example, I am having 2.55. I want it to be floor to the 2, 2.443 also to 2, 1.98, then it will go to 0, 1.01 it will also go to 0, 10.15 it will go to 10. Let's see how that can be done. So type in equal to floor floor compatible function, then the number, which is this number, and the significance I will provide it to 2 right now. So you can see I am getting right now 2. For 1.98 it will be 0, 1.01 it is 0. Basically the number integer which is multiple of 2 will be, and which is nearer to the given number below that, it will be taken. For example, if I take here for example floor, and then take the number and I take it to 3 for example. So how it will be, now it will be showing like this. So all these 4 numbers will be less than 3, so all these numbers will be having a floor value as 0, and 10.15, 10.5, 11, this will be having 9. For 12 it will 0.01 it will be 12, and for 19.35 it will be 18. Now even we can actually have here, if we take a significance of 1, then it will be taking to the 1, the numbers which are just multiple of 1 and lower than the given number. Same goes with the ceiling function. So here in the ceiling function it will be on the upper side, the number which is multiple of the given significance, and which is greater than the number just nearer to the number, given number, is taken in the ceiling. So example, ceiling, 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 then open bracket, then the number, and then in this if I give the significance of 2, it will give the answer as 4. So this in this 2.455 it will be taken to the 4, 2.43 it will be taken to 4, 1.98, 1.01 it will be taken to 2, 10.15, 10.5, 12. So if we take another value like ceiling and take the number and get it to the significance of 4, so it will be taking to the 4 again. Here the number is again near to the 4. For example, 1.98, 4, then 10.12, 12, then for 19 it is 20, and 12.01 it will be 16. So this is the difference of using floor and ceiling function, and these are very much important while doing a data analysis. In the data analysis, lot of time it happens that the numbers given into a very complex numbers are given, and to make the system understand, make the algorithm understand what are the numbers and what kind of a significance we want to have for that given number. So this ceiling function and floor functions are very much useful in that. You can also follow my blog to understand about the floor and ceiling function, which is given into the link. So see you in the next video, and keep learning, keep doing the data analysis. Thank you.